40 Cal J here, and today we are going to be sighting in a laser. One thing, when you get a laser, it is not sighted in. So whenever you put this on your gun, don't think that it's automatically wherever you point it at, that it's going, that's where the bullet is going to go. No. That's why the laser comes with an elevation tool. That I just put the bore sighter in there. That's not an actual round. Okay. So let's say move this laser around. So you guys see there is 2 dots, right, on that target there. The green one needs to be on top of the red one. So we're gonna move it over. Then we're gonna move it down some. Move it over a little bit more. Alrighty. So it is already sighted in, and wherever that green beam shows up is where the bullet's going to go. Okay. Red dot, green on top of it, so it's on point. Okay. So get you a nice quality laser. Don't get none of that cheap stuff. This is a $300 laser by Viridian X5L. Take the bore sighter out of there. And it comes with different modes. Strobe, the light even strobes, light and strobe, just light. Just a little quick tutorial on how to sight in your laser. Alrighty, I'll see y'all on the next one.